In this video, I'm going to show you how to actually use Airwallex to run international payments for your business, setting up local bank details in multiple countries, converting between currencies, sending both domestic and international transfers, and issuing spending cards your team can use day to day. If you've ever sent an international payment through a regular bank and watched a chunk of it quietly disappear into fees and a poor exchange rate, this is going to show you a much cheaper and faster way of doing it. The link in the description will take you directly to this Airwallex page, and from here, you've got two options. If you already have an account, you can click Login at the top. If you don't, click Get Started, where you'll be asked for your business email address. I'll add mine here and click Get Started. Once you do that, it'll ask you to create your Airwallex account. Here you enter your legal first name, your legal last name, and set a password. Once that's done, click Next, and from there you'll add some additional details, your business name and your business headquarters, which you select by toggling through the list. So if your business is headquartered in Canada, for example, you'd search for Canada and select it. Then you'll enter your mobile number, and that completes the sign-up. If you'd rather test things out first, you can click See a Demo instead. From here, you can request a live demo by entering your business email address and clicking Book a Demo. Or you can explore your business email won't be intended for free, or you will find a reason to get out. So you can get a full feel for what Airwallex can do before committing to anything. Once your account is created, Airwallex takes you straight into the dashboard, and this is where you'll spend most of your time. So let's go through what's actually here. At the top of the dashboard, you've got your total cash balances. By default, this shows in US dollars, but you can switch that to whichever currency you actually account in. What's happening behind the scenes is Airwallex is taking every individual foreign currency balance you're holding and converting it into whatever currency you've chosen to view everything in. So you get one combined total plus the individual balances underneath. If you scroll further down, you'll find your global accounts listed, which are your local bank account details in different countries. And below that, a full activity history of everything moving through your account. Down the left-hand side is where the real functionality lives. Wallet shows you every currency balance you're holding, all in one place. Global accounts is where you open and manage local bank details in different countries. Conversions is where you exchange one currency for another whenever you need to. Transfers is where you actually send money out to a supplier, a contractor, another business, anyone, anywhere. Cards lets you issue spending cards, either for yourself or for employees. And there's a feature attached to that which I think is one of the more underrated parts of the platform. And payments is where you can switch on the ability to accept payments from customers directly, using local payment methods depending on the country you're selling into, rather than forcing everyone to pay you through an international card checkout. Everything you're seeing here is also available through the mobile app, so you're not stuck at a desk if you need to approve a transfer, check a balance, or issue a card while you're away from your computer. That's a small thing, but if you're used to a traditional business bank where half these actions require a phone call or a branch visit, it's a genuinely different way of running your finances. Let's start with global accounts, because honestly, this is the single biggest reason a lot of businesses move to Airwallex in the first place. To open one, go to Global Accounts, either from the dashboard or through Wallet on the left, and click Create Global Account. Now, some countries will only let you hold that country's local currency. So if you open an account in the UK or in Australia, for example, you get real, working local bank details, but the balance sits only in pounds or only in Australian dollars. That's exactly what you'd want if most of your customers in that country are going to pay you the way they pay any local business, using their domestic instant payment network, which is usually free and lands in seconds. Other countries work differently. If you open an account in a financial hub like Singapore or Hong Kong, You can hold multiple currencies under the same local account. Local dollar balance, a US dollar balance, sometimes others too. That's useful if you've registered a company there for tax or operational reasons, but the bulk of the money moving through it is actually in US dollars rather than the local currency. Airwallex just lets you decide what actually makes sense for how your business runs, instead of forcing you into one currency because of where the entity happens to be registered. Across the platform, you'll find coverage for most of the countries a business actually deals with day to day. The US, the UK, Australia, the Eurozone, Hong Kong, Singapore, and a growing list of others. And you don't need to have a registered company in a country to open an account there. You just need a verified Airwallex business account, and from there, you choose whichever countries and currencies match where your clients or suppliers actually are. Let's actually set one up together, so you can see it. Say you want to open an account in Singapore, and you want it to hold US dollars specifically, because that's what most of your clients are paying you in. You select the country, choose USD as the currency, and give the account a nickname so you can find it later. Something like Singapore USD. Click Create, and Airwallex generates real account details for you under a partner bank, an account number, routing information, everything a client would actually need to send you a payment directly into that account. You're not limited to just one of these. You can open accounts like this in as many countries and currencies as your business actually needs, whether that's 3 or 10. Now, here's the part that makes this genuinely different from a normal bank. Once money starts landing in these accounts, whether that's a client paying you directly or you moving funds over from your existing business bank account, Airwallex doesn't keep it locked to whichever account it arrived in. Everything gets pooled together into your overall currency balances. So instead of juggling 5 separate bank accounts in 5 countries, you just think in terms of, how much do I have in dollars? How much do I have in pounds? How much do I have in euros? And so on. All in one dashboard. That naturally leads into conversions. Say you've just received a payment of $5,000 from a client, but you've got an upcoming expense that needs to be paid in pounds. You go to Conversions on the left, click New Conversion, and Airwallex shows you your available balance along with the live exchange rate on offer. The markup on top of the actual market rate is typically around 0.5%, which is a fraction of what most high street banks charge, where markups of 2 to 3% are common. You can either tell it how much you want to convert from, say the full $5,000, or you can tell it exactly how much you need on the other end. Say you need £4,000, and it'll calculate how many dollars that requires. Either way, you see the full breakdown, the rate, the fee, the final amount, before you confirm anything. Once you're happy, you confirm, and both balances update instantly. That's it. No branch visit, no waiting days for a rate. This is also worth doing proactively, not just when a payment is due. If you know you'll need a certain currency next month, for payroll, for a supplier invoice, for anything predictable, you can convert ahead of time whenever the rate looks favorable, rather than being forced to convert at whatever the rate happens to be on the day the payment is due. For a business paying recurring costs in more than one currency, that alone can save a meaningful amount over the course of a year. Now let's get into transfers, because this is where the cost savings really start to show up. Go to Transfers on the left and click New Transfer. If it's someone you haven't paid before, you'll add them as a new recipient. And the first thing you choose is whether this is a domestic transfer or an international one. If your recipient is in the same country as one of your local accounts, let's say you're both dealing in pounds in the UK, you choose domestic, and Airwallex automatically defaults to using the UK's faster payments network, which is free and typically lands within seconds. You don't even need to already be holding pounds for this. You can just tell Airwallex how much you want the recipient to actually receive, say £700, and it will work out how much of your existing balance that requires converting and sending in a single step rather than making you do it manually first. International transfers work a bit differently, and honestly, this is where Airwallex really separates itself from a normal bank. Say you need to pay a supplier in the United States, but you've never set up a US dollar account. The expensive route would be converting your local currency into dollars and sending it through SWIFT, which usually means a flat fee upwards of $30 or $40, plus a poor exchange rate, plus several business days of waiting. Instead, Airwallex routes the payment through local US banking rails behind the scenes. You can send it as a standard ACH transfer, which is free and typically takes 1 to 2 business days, or pay a small fee, usually around $10, for a same-day wire through FedNow if it's urgent. Either way, you're avoiding SWIFT entirely, which means no international wire fees and no multi-day delay. And if you're a business that regularly pays US suppliers, here's the smarter move. If you already hold a US dollar balance in your account, say from a previous conversion, or from a client who paid you in dollars, Airwallex skips the currency exchange step completely and sends the payment as what's essentially a domestic US transfer. No conversion, no markup, often free, and it can land the same day. That's the whole advantage of holding multiple currency balances instead of converting everything back to your home currency the moment it arrives. If you're regularly paying more than one person, say a handful of contractors or suppliers at the end of the month, you don't have to do this one recipient at a time either. Airwallex supports batch payments, where you can upload all of your recipients and amounts in a single file and send everything in one go, rather than manually clicking through the same flow 10 or 20 times. For anyone running payroll for remote contractors across different countries, that alone can save hours every month. Now, let's talk about cards, because this is a feature a lot of people don't expect from a platform built around business banking. You can issue spending cards, either for yourself under the business or for individual employees, who get invited to set up their own login and can receive either a virtual card instantly or request a physical one for a small one-off fee. When you create a card, you set its purpose, give it a nickname, set a daily spending limit, say $2,000, and a monthly limit, say $10,000, and choose whether to allow international and online transactions. Here's the clever part. These cards draw directly from your foreign currency balances. So if you're paying for software or ad spend that bills in US dollars, and you're holding a dollar balance, the card spends straight from that balance, with zero conversion involved. If you don't have a dollar balance sitting there, Airwallex automatically converts from whatever currency you do hold, at that same low rate of around 0.5%, and completes the payment in the background. Either way, you're sidestepping the typical foreign transaction fees that most bank-issued cards charge, which usually sit around 2 to 3% per transaction, and that number adds up fast if you're paying international vendors, running ads, or covering software subscriptions every single month. For businesses with a team, there's an added benefit worth mentioning. Employees can photograph their receipts directly inside the app after making a purchase, and Airwallex uses AI to automatically match that receipt to the corresponding card transaction. If you or an accountant handle the bookkeeping, that means significantly less manual reconciliation of receipts against expenses at the end of each month, since the matching largely happens on its own. You can also see every transaction across every card in one place, filter it by employee or by category, and set individual limits per card. So if you've got 5 people spending on the business, you're not relying on trust alone. You can see exactly what's been spent, by who, and on what, in real time rather than waiting for a monthly statement to catch anything unusual. So that covers everything you need to get started. Opening your account for free, setting up local bank details in multiple countries around the world, converting between currencies at a fraction of typical bank fees, sending both domestic and international transfers without the usual wire costs or delays, and issuing cards that spend in whatever currency actually makes sense, without racking up foreign transaction fees. If your business deals with clients, suppliers, or employees in more than one country, this genuinely solves a problem that traditional banking makes expensive and slow. And since setting up the account itself costs nothing, and you can even test everything first in the sandbox demo, there's very little reason not to at least see if it fits how you work. I'll leave the link to sign up for Airwallex in the description below, so if you want to start saving on international payments, that's the place to go.